Hello, welcome back to another video. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, you're welcome. And to you all my new subscribers, you're highly welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for joining this wonderful community. Okay, my name is Chidera. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos State. On this channel, we do food and mukbang. And to you, all my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to support your girl. You guys are the best. So, guys, today I'll be showing you how to make Chinese fried rice. Okay, so keep on watching, guys. Let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. And if you watch my video and you enjoy my video, please always give me a thumbs up. Always like my video, guys. It helps YouTube to recommend my video. All right, so let's introduce our ingredients for this recipe. So guys, these are the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this Chinese fried rice. I have here my minced ginger and garlic. I have my spring onions. I have my green pepper, yellow pepper, and carrots. I have my rice. This is my day old rice. I'll be telling you guys why you should use a day old rice in your Chinese fried rice. Okay, keep on watching. I will tell you as we go on. I have my beef. This is just the beef I have. I just cut it into this. So you can use your shrimp, you can use your chicken breast. I have my onions. I have here 3 raw eggs. Okay, your egg is depending on the quantity of rice you are using. In here I have my oyster sauce. I have my dark soya sauce and my sesame oil. So guys, let's start making our rice, and to that I'm going to be adding just a little quantity of vegetable oil into my dried pot, and I will go ahead now to scramble my eggs. The same pot I use for my eggs, I'm just going to heat up some amount of oil, and then I'll go in with my beef. Okay, I'll be seasoning this beef with some seasoning powder, ginger and garlic. Okay, I'm going to mix up everything until everything is well mixed, and then I'll steam the beef. Okay, I'll allow it to steam until the beef is well cooked. Okay. So guys, our beef is cooked now. I'm just going to bring it out from the heat, and then we'll continue making our rice. Okay, as you can see, the beef is well cooked. This took me about 10 minutes. In the same pot, I'll be going in with my sesame oil, So guys, I'll be adding in my onions now, and I'll also be going in with my ginger and garlic. I'm going to fry this for 2 minutes. I'll stir and allow it to fry for 2 minutes. I will go in with my rice now, and I'm going to stir fry this for about 5 minutes. Okay, I'm just going to stir fry this for 5 minutes. And then I'll be adding in my dark soya sauce, and I'll be going in with my oyster sauce. Please, when using oyster sauce, be careful with your seasonings because oyster sauce has lots of sodium in it. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this together, and I'll allow this to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will add in my next ingredients. Okay, I'll be going in now with my beef and my scrambled eggs, and I will add in my carrots. I'll be adding in my carrots now. I'm going to stir fry this for another 2 minutes, and then I'll add in my next ingredients. Guys, please, if you have watched up to now and you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Okay, so guys, I'll be adding in my red pepper now. For my red pepper, I'm using scotch bonnet pepper because I want some heat in this red, but you can just use red bell pepper. Okay, then I'll be going in with my green and my yellow bell pepper. Okay, I'm just going to stir fry this for another 1 minute. I'll just stir fry just for a minute. Okay, because I want my vegetables to still remain crunchy when I'll be eating it. So I'm just going to stir fry this for extra 1 minute. And then I'll be adding in my spring onions to this. I'll be going in with my spring onions. I'm going to stir this, and our Chinese fried rice is ready. So guys, the reason behind using a day-old rice to make your own Chinese fried rice is because when you cook white rice, it has lots of starch and lots of moisture in it, so it won't give you a good outcome when you use it like that. So the rice will have to stick together because of the starch and the moisture in it. But when you leave it for a long period of time, which is basically overnight, the starch and the moisture in it would have dried out. So when you use it, it won't stick together because there is no more starch and moisture in it. So this is the reason behind using a day-old rice in making your own Chinese fried rice. So guys, our rice is ready guys, and this rice was so yummy, so delicious. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, and if you enjoyed watching, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, give this video a thumbs up. Help me to click on that like button if you enjoyed watching, and until I come here when it's time, stay safe. Bye.